Quick video guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it is Crypto Dad. First time coming across our YouTube channel, what you have to do is you have to click on the subscription button, then you have to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. Okay guys, in today's video I'll be taking us through on how to perform spot transaction on Binance. I know most of us has been hearing the word spot transaction. That is, what is spot trading or what is spot transaction? I'll be taking you through that right now. So I'll just be going over to my Binance account. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be going over to Binance right now. Okay, so if you want to perform spot transaction on any exchange, you can either use Binance or just make sure you are using any exchange to perform spot transaction. So you can use Binance, you can use Make Exchange, you can use Huobi, you can use a lot of exchange like that. So you can use a lot of exchange, you can use SuperX exchange. There's a lot of crypto exchange on Play Store, but the one people mostly use is Binance. They use Binance, they use Make Exchange. Okay, I'll be making use of Binance to perform the spot trading. Okay, I'll be taking you through what spot trading and what spot transaction is. Okay, so I'll just go over to my trade, and if you've not registered on Binance, I'll be dropping the link to register in this video description. So you just need to go ahead to register, then you need to verify your account. Immediately you've been verified on Binance, so you can go ahead to perform a lot of trading activities on this app. So you can perform a lot of trading activities, that is making withdrawal, receiving payments in cryptocurrency, performing giveaway activities on Binance, and a lot like that. Okay, so I'll just be going back. After you verify your account, you have to go ahead to make a recharge of USDT. So if you want to perform spot transaction simply means you are buying and selling cryptocurrency. So you buy when a particular currency is low. So when the price of the currency is low, you buy it. Then when the price rolls up to like 100%, so let's say 200% or 1000%, based on the particular amount you want to sell at, so that is when you sell. So spot transaction simply means just buying and selling of cryptocurrency. So you buy when the particular currency is low, then you sell it off when the particular currency is high. So I'll be taking you through that right now. On my wallet, I'm having Tron, as I'm having 400 Tron in my wallet, and I'm having Arbitron also in my wallet. Okay, and I'm having 8 USDT in my wallet. So I'll be taking you through what spot transaction is. For you to perform spot transaction on Binance, you have to go ahead to make a recharge of USDT into your wallet, and you can also fund your account using Nigeria currency if you're in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria and you're watching this video, if you want to fund your account, I already made video on how to fund your account using Nigeria currency, that is Naira, to fund your account. So I already made video on that. You can go ahead to my YouTube channel to get the video. Okay, I'll just be going over to YouTube. When you come out to my YouTube channel, you just need to scroll down. So I made a video on how to deposit NGN into your Binance account, and you can also check my short video. You see the short video I made, so you can just go ahead to watch the short video on how to make deposits into your Binance account. And if you want me to make any other video, you can drop your comments in the comment section beneath this video. Okay, I'll just be going back to Binance. While performing spot transaction on Binance or any exchange, you can make a profit, so you can get a lot of profits while performing spot transaction. What you just need to take note is you have to buy the particular currency when the currency is low. You just have to go ahead to buy when the currency is low. So once the currency have risen, you can just go ahead to sell it off. Then the particular profit you get, you can go ahead to make withdrawal, swap it to, convert it to your currency, then make withdrawal into your bank account. Okay, so once you deposit NGN into your wallet or any of your currency, so you just have to come over to this trade, then you have to click on this button. Just click on that area. When you click on the area, you'll be seeing your particular currency. So here I have USDT against NGN. Okay, so let's say you made a recharge of NGN. You just have to select this particular pair. After you've selected the pair, okay, you want to buy USDT using NGN. After you've made the recharge of NGN, you just have to go ahead to click on this buy. So you have to buy, you have to change this limit from limit to an instant market. So once you perform an instant market transaction right now, just go ahead to enter the amount of NGN you want to sell. We are selling this particular amount of NGN to receive USDT. Let me just go over to my calculator. I'll be showing us the conversion rate. So let's say I want to buy 5,000 Naira worth of NGN, and we know that $1 is going for this amount, that is 786 Naira. I just have to come over here, then I need to divide the amount by a particular amount. So I'll be getting this particular amount in USDT. I'm getting $6 in USDT. That's if I'm buying 5,000 Naira of USDT on Binance, I will receiving 6.3 USDT. I just have to go back to my Binance. Okay, when I come out to my Binance, I just have to click on this buy USDT. Then the transaction will be completed immediately. But I can't buy right now, so you'll be seeing my balance. I'm having an insufficient balance right now Okay, if I want to make a deposit, I can just go to click on this deposit engine. So when you click on the deposit engine, you'll be seeing the steps on how to go about that. So if you want to deposit engine, you have to select okay, we are going for engine, and if you want to deposit your currency, that is your country currency, just come over to select your country currency. You have a lot of currency here, just come over to select. I'll select engine. I want to take us through on how to deposit engine. After you've selected that, you have to click on this bank transfer. Okay, if you want to go with this e-wallet, but this bank transfer is faster, just click on that. Click on this continue button. When you click on the continue button, you'll be seeing the amount. You have to enter the amount that you can make a deposit from 1,000 naira, 5 million naira on Binance. So let's say I want to make a recharge of just 50,000 or 500,000 naira. Okay, I just have to click on this continue button. Then I'll be seeing the merchant fee. The merchant that will be performing this transaction will be charging me 1,500 naira. That is the merchant fee. Then you'll be seeing the amount I'll be receiving. I'll be receiving this particular amount into my Binance account. Okay, this is the actual payment. You just have to click on this continue button, but I won't be making a recharge right now, so I'm just taking you through the steps on how to make a deposit into your Binance account. That is making a deposit of your currency into your Binance account. After you've made the deposit, just go over to the trade section on Binance. Then when you click on the trade section, you have to select your currency type. After you selected that, go ahead to enter the amount you want to buy. I want to buy 5,000 naira USDT. Okay, after you've entered the amount, just click on this buy, then the transaction will be completed immediately. Okay, so you'll be seeing that I'm having $8 worth of USDT in my USDT account, that is in my USDT wallet on Binance. I'll just be going back. So I want to perform a spot transaction right now. I want to take you through what spot transaction is. Just come over here. When you come over to the market area, you have to select the coin you want to purchase. So let's say you made your research, you see that a particular coin will be rising, and you want to buy the coin down and hold it. Okay, let's take for example this PEPE coin. Let's say I got an update that this particular coin will be rising, and I want to buy it down. I want to hold it. I just have to go ahead to enter the amount I want to buy. Okay, let's say I want to buy 75%. I want to buy 75%. I'll be receiving 4 million worth of the coin. That's I'll be receiving 4 million worth of PEPE coin. I just have to click on this buy PEPE, then the particular amount will be removed from my balance. Okay, I'll just click on this buy. Pay does not support placing order with total try. Okay, so let's increase the amount. Let's click on this buy. Let's just go ahead to enter the amount I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 5 million worth of PEPE token. I just have to click on this buy. I'll be seeing that the other amount should be more than 10 USDT, but I'm having just 8.7 USDT. Okay, so if you don't have up to 10 USDT yet, then you want to buy a particular coin, so there's also another way you can use. Just come out to this convert. When you come out here, you have to select the currency you want to swap from. That is, I want to swap from USDT to PEPE. I'll just search for PEPE. Okay, this PEPE, I'll click on PEPE. When I click on PEPE, I need to enter the amount in USDT. I want to like convert to PEPE token. I'll just click on this maximum. If I'm converting 8.7 USDT, I have to click on this preview to check the amount I'll be receiving. As I'll be receiving 5.5 million worth of PEPE token. Okay, I'll just click on this refresh. So I'll be receiving this amount. I have to click on this convert. When you click on the convert, conversion is successful. So you'll be seeing that the transaction is successful. I swapped from 8.7 USDT to 5.5 million PEPE coin. Okay, I just have to hold the particular coin. Once the coin I've risen, you can just go ahead to sell it off. So if this spot area is not working, you can go ahead to convert USDT to the coin you want. I already showed us that. Okay, why for this spot transaction? If you want to perform spot transaction on Binance, you have to make a recharge of 10 USDT, at least more than 10 USDT, to be able to perform spot transaction on Binance. Okay, so I've already performed a spot transaction right now. I just bought PEPE token right now. I bought $8.7 worth of PEPE token. I'm just going over to my wallet. Okay, so you'll be seeing the particular amounts right here. Okay, before you buy any coin, you have to first go ahead to check if the particular token will be rising. Now you have to go ahead to analyze the market. Just go ahead to check the chart. Just go ahead to check the chart if the particular token will be rising. Okay, I'll be going over to this memes. Then I'll click on this PEPE coin. This is the PEPE coin. I'll click on that. I'll just click on this chart. Okay, so you'll be seeing my analysis on PEPE coin. I'm still expecting a buy on this particular coin. As this particular coin will be rising, as the PEPE coin will be rising. Okay, so the first buy I made on this coin, I bought it from this price, then I sold it out for this price. Okay, then you may see the second buy, I bought it from this price on my Binance account. That's on my other Binance account. I bought it at this price. I'm still holding this particular coin right now. I'm still expecting a rise up. I'm still expecting it to rise up. Okay, So for you to buy any coin on Binance or buy any token, you have to first know the direction of the coin. Just go to analyze the chart, and if you don't know how to analyze charts, or if you don't know how to read charts, I'm going to make research about the particular token. Just going to make research about the particular token. Okay guys, so I already took us through spot transaction on Binance. What spot transaction means, or spot trading means generally, is that you buying and selling cryptocurrency. So you buy at a low price when the particular coin is low. For example, I bought this coin when the particular price is low. Then you may see that it's presently rising right now, and I'm still expecting more profit from this particular transaction. Okay, so let me just do the calculation. Let's say at this price, that is at this price. Okay, let me go ahead to do the calculation right now. Let me just go over to my calculator. Okay, the first buy I bought was at this price. I bought PEPE coin at this price. As I bought 10 billion worth of PEPE coin at this price for this particular month, that is $920. I'll be calculating my profits right now. Okay, I'll go back to the chart. I want to check the current price. So let's say the current price is at 15. Okay, so let me just go back to the calculator. Let's say the current price is at this price, that is times the 10 billion worth I bought. In the same particular amount that will be my wallet presently, minus the amount I bought it, that is I'm having $15,000, minus the amount I bought it, minus $920, that is I will be making a profit of $14,000 right now. So this is how spot transaction is done. As you're buying cryptocurrency, when the price is low, then you're selling it off when the price is high. If I want to sell the coin right now, I can go ahead to sell it off, but there's still probability of it rising, so it still have a long way to go. So I'm still expecting a buy on this particular token. Next buy area should be at this point. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button, then you have to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. Have a nice day guys, and stay tuned for more updates.